Scientists have recently discovered a genetic mechanism that weakens the cardiac muscles of fruit flies as they age. These fruit flies have nearly the same problems that a human heart faces. A team from Iowa State University have been able to repair the damage to the heart of the fruit flies and restore its functioning. The reason for weakening of the muscles is the slowing down of the cleanup process of damaged proteins and cells called autophagy. The team identified a genetic complex that slows down this decline. This turning the clock back on the aging heart of the flies provides hope for the development of therapies for older humans who may be suffering from heart diseases. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Steam Daily newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also visit us on Steamdaily.com.